In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your microphone in OBS Studio, microphone audio setup. Let's get your voice sounding clean and consistent inside OBS. Start by opening OBS Studio. When it loads, take a second to notice the layout. Your scene and sources area is typically on the left, and the audio mixer runs along the bottom. That mixer is where you'll confirm your microphone is working and where you'll watch your levels. Next, in the Sources dock, click the plus icon and choose Audio Input Capture. This is the source type for microphones and audio interfaces. If you see options for existing sources, choose to create a new one so you can keep things organized for this scene. Clear naming helps later when you have multiple mics or scenes. Give the source a descriptive name, then open the device dropdown and select your specific microphone. If you're using a USB mic, pick it by name. If you're using an audio interface, select the interface itself. If your mic isn't listed, make sure your operating system recognizes it first, then return to OBS. Choosing the exact device avoids accidentally recording your laptop's built-in mic. Once you confirm, look at the audio mixer. You should see your new microphone source appear there. Talk at a normal volume and watch for movement on the meter. If the bar doesn't move, make sure the source isn't muted and that the fader isn't all the way down. Also check that you didn't add multiple mic sources that could conflict or cause echo. Now dial in your level. Aim for your voice to hit between about -10 and -5 decibels on the meter during normal speaking. This gives you headroom so your loudest words don't clip. If the meter is constantly in the red or hitting 0, lower the fader or reduce your hardware gain. If it's too quiet, raise the fader slightly or move the mic a bit closer. Consistent mic distance and a pop filter help control plosives and keep tone steady. To enhance quality, right-click your microphone in the audio mixer and select Filters. Here you can add gentle processing. A noise suppression filter can reduce steady background hums. A noise gate can mute your mic when you're silent so small room sounds don't creep in. A compressor evens out your voice and tames peaks. Make small adjustments and listen as you go. Subtle changes often sound the most natural. With your mic added, meters moving, levels sitting around -10 to -5, and filters lightly tuned, you're ready to record clear, reliable audio in OBS.